Dangshen kaseng HNLC kala Birmingham ignoyalam kaseng NPP barkumjuru kala mahami kipai ba bakim day ban vote ya ke NPP ha ke election shiteng samoy kabanwan halor kaniu ba AL hek nonyalam ka BJP ulatrwa bomlong ksiang preng ka sarkar jala bar kaseng HNLC barun pershang banwan yalam kaseng shakami jekrani suk bar ka sarkar.
I'm telling you, they should not threatening anybody. Okay. That's why I want to bring them also to the peace talk. Let come to the mainstream. If you want, we will discuss when we'll come to the mainstream. What is your problem? What is your objective? To talk for your aim and objective for the people. We will work together for the betterment of Meghalaya and the betterment of the citizens of Meghalaya.
Ulong ru bakadaw ba bakikana samla ki pinisno eladesh ki kam kai klau yade ke jingbam yo kam yo jam. Hagaju kapor ukentui ki samla jong ke jilla bakimde ban aptai ka kam sarkar hinde ban pershang nalade ban trei ki kam la jong khnang bakan long ke jimunto yaki bar ikiwe par ki samla jong kari.
See, employment, of course, to get government employees, it has been completely saturated. I'm telling the youth, there's so many employment. Still, we have to be innovative. You have to be creative to create employment. Like, for example, I'm giving you, I myself have created so many branches under the Mebai group only to create employment. We had started MSSO, we have started the wellness center, we have started the Mebai tourism exploration. We have started so many things like that, one after another one, to create employment. There's so many opportunity for self-employment in the state of Meghalaya, but we need to be professional. We have to be very, very professional to do any business if you want really to progress and prosperous.